What's happening, all you sixth graders? We are starting chapter 7, and there's a few things that we have to remember from previous learning. And one of those words that I can think of is called quotient. And remember, that means divide. So we're starting into writing equations, and here is the first few examples. You want to make sure you always have your notes open and always check those examples because they will help you so much. All right, let's get started. So it says write the word sentence as an equation. So the only thing we have to do is write the equation, not find an answer. So it says the sum of a number n and 7 is 15. So the sum, if we remember, means add. So here's our important information highlighted. N plus 7 is the sum. So the sum of a number n and 7 equals is always going to mean equals 15. So n plus 7 equals 15 is my equation. And that's all I have to do because I don't know what n is. Okay. Part B says a number y decreased by 4 is 3. So decreased is a hint. That means subtract. Is my equal sign. So we're going to highlight the important information. And then we have y minus 4, because y decreased by 4 is y minus 4. Is my equal sign, 3. And so my finished product just says y minus 4 equals 3. 12 times the number p equals 48. 12 times a number p equals 48. So we can see that this is multiplication. And when we do a number times a variable, we don't have to put a multiplication sign. We can just put the number right next to the letter, and that means multiply. Okay, so 12p means 12 times p, and equals tells us right there, 12p equals 48. That's my equation. That's all you have to do when it says write an equation. You don't have to solve anything. You just need to write the equation. All right, so let's move on and look at another example here. So it says write the word sentence as an equation. Part A, a number m added to 3 equals 15. The difference of a number w and 6 is the same as 12. 22 is twice a number h. So let's take a look at these and see how they do it.
Write the word sentence as an equation. Remember, an equation is a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign to show that two expressions are equal. Let's look at an example. A number m added to 3 equals 15. First, look for key words or phrases to find where to place the equal sign. The word equals represents the equal sign. Next, let's find the two expressions in the equation. The first expression is a number m added to 3. And the second expression is 15. Now we are ready to write the equation. Let's first look at the first expression, a number m added to 3. We have the variable m, which is added to 3. Added to means addition. Because m is added to 3, the 3 comes first, and then the plus sign. So m is added to 3. Then we have our equal sign, and the expression 15. So, an equation that represents this word sentence is 3 plus m equals 15. Now let's look at another example. The difference of a number w and 6 is 12. First, let's find the word or phrase that represents the equal sign. Is the word that represents the equal sign. Now let's identify the two expressions in the equation. The first is the difference of a number w and 6. The second expression is 12. Now we are ready to write the equation. The first expression, the difference of a number w and 6, can be represented by the variable w and the number 6. The word difference means subtraction, so 6 is subtracted from W. Is our equal sign, and the final expression is 12. An equation that represents the word sentence is W minus 6 equals 12. Let's look at one more example. Twice the number H is the same as 22. The phrase is the same as represents the equal sign. Twice the number H is the first expression, and 22 is the second expression. Now we are ready to write an equation. In the first expression, the word twice means multiplication. So this expression is 2 times H, or 2H. Is the same as represents the equal sign. And finally, 22. An equation that represents this word sentence is 2H equals 22.
All right, so there's some examples on different types of problems, and that's not all of them that you're going to see, but let's try on your own. Number 1 says 9 less than number B equals 2. The product of a number G and 5 is 30. A number K increased by 10 is the same as 24. The quotient of a number Q and 4 is 12. So I want you to try these 4 and then come back. So ready, pause your video. 1, 2, 3, pause. All right, now that you're back, let's take a look at the answers. And so we get 9 less than number B would be B minus 9 equals 2. The product of a number G and 5 is 30. 5G, because product means multiply. A number K increased by 10 would be K plus 10. The quotient of a number Q and 4 would be Q divided by 4. So those are some examples that you'll want to keep handy, and we'll move on to the next one. All right, good job on this one, and I'll see you later. Bye.